welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something different. For those who are new here, my name is Alden and I talk about tech, design and product. So today we're gonna do something different, and I've been using my MX Master 3 for Mac, although I use a PC, Windows PC com, for about a year now. So these feet are really being hardcore trash, so I'm trying to revamp it by doing this. So what is this? This is not a mask. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to replace the mouse feet and through the mouse skate. So this is a mouse skate from Hotline games. You can find a link, the Shopee link down below. So let's open this up and then take a look. So these are the 3.0 competition level, okay? Crazy, man. So the back, they just telling you the description and then having a serial and say this is a 0.8 mm thickness with 0.1 glue on it, which is the sticky pad, I'll say. So this is manufactured in China. It's called a Musket 2.0. So let's open up this competition level mouse game. Let's go. One time use. Very smooth. Cool. So here's the screw that they hit harder under this mouse fit. Really genius. And you have a alignment line to kind of align this. Pretty genius, eh? Okay, we're gonna use the alcohol to wipe away the sticky pad. Alright, baby, let's do this. So this on the outer kind of frame is slightly smaller, kind of give the outer arch support. It's really sticky, so my fingernails aren't helping at all. Oh, so you have another screw here. Ooh. So two screw here. Throw away this mouse feet. This is a big one for the thumb here. So you need more support right here. Okay, so let's peel this away. By the way, this is, I think it's painted with a kind of a semi-gloss but still matte texture. Injection mouth here where the plastic is shoot from this point. So overall we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and over here they have an exposed one. So this is how it looks like from the bottom side. Okay, so let's clean this up. So we have 2 alcohol wipes. I'm gonna peel this one out and keep one and use this one. Does it look like something? And I'm saying like tea bag lah. What are you thinking? Okay, so let's clean up the bottom. So just hoping the paint doesn't go smooth. Maybe it's not paint though. Maybe, you know, it is alright guys, there I have it, man. dry, let it dry. Let the mouse be dry and sit, let it dry, let it dry. We can see the mouse bend. Here I am, changing mouse feet right. And the time we took is really. So what mouse do you guys using? Please leave down the comment section below, and probably you can find something from this mouse, Hotline Games mouse kit. Alright, so this one is for the MX Master 3. I use the Mac version, but I believe the PC version is the same. Now the highlights and the one I want to see is this, so let's take the easy one. I think the left and right. Let's try with the biggest one. Time, pop it in, twist slightly. Alright, check it out, guys. Check this sweet baby, check it out. Alright, so let's do a glide test now. Alright guys, so we're done for today. Felt like I got a brand new mouse, so I gotta use my MX Master 3 mouse for work, and I'll tell you the feedback that I got from this in a few months time, so you'll get to see again. So thanks for staying till the end right here. I hope it helps you make a decision to change your mouse kit. Alright, with that, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing, where in the next few videos I'll talk about keyboard, my desk setup, my EDC, and more to come in general. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll talk about tech, design, and product. Till then, peace. 火线竞速 Yep. So Hotline games make you easily playing in the game world. Alright.